This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sarah Murray and less than bedroom greater than Lorna Murray. Rare find. This has so many unique features not normally seen in this price range. Enjoy country living on 5+ acres with a 1,755 square feet manufactured home west/3 bedrooms, 2 baths, open floor plan, vaults, skylights. Beautiful engineered floors throughout. Enjoy the spacious primary suite. Beautiful kitchen, formal dining, and more. The huge storage area was previously used as a second manufactured home under the county hardship rule for a second residence. The kitchen has been removed and is now used as a large storage area is 1,440 square feet. There is a 2-car garage plus separate shop/barn/possible second garage with upstairs all on 5+ acres in wonderful area close to I-5. The setting is beautiful. Plenty of space for garden beds, fruit trees, animals, or previously property had horses. Close in only 15 minutes to Battleground. For more information, review the details below or contact